Welcome to the frontier of innovation, where engineering and intelligence merge to redefine the meaning of artificial life. What was once the core of science fiction is today a tangible reality that is assembled in state-of-the-art laboratories. Let's observe the delicacy of these movements. Robotic hands designed not only for strength, but for the most extreme tactile sensitivity. Expressiveness is key. Synthetic faces that mimic human emotions, seeking to close the communication gap between man and machine. In the field of health, these assistants are transforming hospital care, providing logistical support and constant companionship. Its ability to interact with patients empathetically allows human professionals to focus on complex diagnoses and treatments. In our homes, they become intelligent companions, facilitating daily tasks and managing the home ecosystem efficiently. The industry also benefits. In complex environments, they demonstrate a precision and resilience that surpass traditional biological capabilities. But this progress brings with it deep questions. Ethics in artificial intelligence is the new battlefield of modern philosophy. Privacy, identity, and the future of employment are issues that we must address as we integrate these synthetic minds into our social fabric. Millions of simulations per second allow these beings to learn from us, raising the question of where programming ends and consciousness begins. We look toward the future, toward a society where the harmonious coexistence between humans and robots is the pillar of our evolution. This is not the end of our story, but the beginning of a new era where technology expands the limits of what is possible. Evolution continues. Tomorrow is already here, and it has a face of metal and a heart of silicon.
Hey there, this is TechNoVaX. If you enjoy cutting-edge tech, a future Jug Books now.
Future tech you won't believe. Subscribe now. You don't want to miss this.